Well guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something not exactly fun, but it might help someone else out there. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I've had my C8 for 10 trouble-free months. It's been a great car. I finally have a weird issue that I've done a lot of research online and I'm 99% sure I know what it is. Long story short, my NPP and or AFM valve for the V8, V4 mode or performance mode is squealing, kind of obnoxious. When the car is warmed up and I'm at idle, if I go through the modes between sport, tour, it sounds like an old rusty swing almost, like it drives me insane. I feel like the lower the humidity between 50 and 75 degrees when it's the most prominent. And also when I'm decelerating about 30 miles an hour, take my foot off the gas, it makes it almost sounds like a cat meow, like meow. It's a really weird noise. And sometimes it'll do it kind of fast, like it almost sounds like a bad pulley or bearing. But from everything I read online, it's simply just the performance exhaust with the little flappers inside. Need to be greased or something, but these, as far as I'm aware, they're not serviceable, and I got a full warranty. So I'm just gonna take it in to Chevy tomorrow. I got an appointment, and this is what I'm hoping. I get there, and the car actually makes the noise. It probably won't, that's just how it works. It does it probably 70% of the time now, the last few weeks. So I'm hoping, anyways, I get there, talk to the service guys, I can explain to them what's going on exactly. Hopefully they have a bulletin for this or know exactly what's going on. So I'm not trying to explain it to them and drive myself nuts. So all the other people I've read with the same issue, the Chevy has gone ahead and just replaced the entire exhaust, which is fine because the only exhaust work I plan on doing is just the high flow cats. The actual performance exhaust, I'm gonna leave it how it is. One thing I'm gonna try to do though, I have the normal chrome tips or polished aluminum tips. I did want to get the black tips, and for whatever reason, I omitted it on my build. I should have just got it, is what it is. I'm going to see if they replace the exhaust, if I can just cover the difference. I think that's like $200 more for the black tip exhaust. Try to go that route. We'll see. I don't know, we're always weird about that kind of stuff like that, so we'll see what they say. So I'm going to try to demo the sound for you now. Try to get it to do it both from the engine compartment and from the cockpits and show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not sure, it's such a weird frequency, I'm not sure if it'll pick up on camera or on the microphone, but I'm going to try my best. Hopefully we can get it recorded so you know exactly what to look for if you have the same issue. And then, yeah, we'll go to Chevy, drop it off there, see what they say, and the last part of this video, see what Chevy's doing. So hopefully they're not just like, oh, it's fine, and send me on my way, or try to tell me they can just lube it up or something, which I'm pretty sure they can. So yeah, let's see if this thing will squeak for us. All right, yeah, it's dark. I'm driving around, the windows up. Yeah, it's getting bad. It sounds like a loose bearing almost when I'm just cruising. Like I doubt you'll be able to hear it on camera. I just did it. Just did it. All right, there we go. It's doing it really loud right now. Let's see if I can get it. A little bit going in, but coming out's when you really hear it. You hear that? Got it going between modes. That tells me it's the NPP and not the AFM V8 to V4 mode. Could be wrong. Yeah, it just drives me insane. It's not too bad right now, but that on the road all the time, and it's something like the flap gets stuck or something, they'll just go do that really quick vibration, like, and it started about 3 weeks ago. So, yeah, I just hope my car does this tomorrow, because you know how it is, right? So, all right, guys, I will see you guys at the dealer on the way there tomorrow, and then what they say, and hopefully they got a new exhaust coming. Easy day. That's what I'm hoping. We'll see. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, next day, headed to the dealer right now. I just hate dealing with dealership, even though I know what the issue is, and I know it's under warranty. It's just a pain in the butt, trying to fight with him. But hopefully they're cool. And the dealer I use is 200 miles away, so I got to use the small local one. But not a big deal. I'll give you guys a little courtesy cold start. All right, so I just dropped it off. They seem really accommodating, explain the situation. Their Corvette tech on site will be back from lunch shortly, and hopefully they can give me a diagnostic and tell me what their course of action is going to be. Again, they seem really, really willing to help, and so hopefully it goes smooth. And they're just like, yeah, this can be exhaust, or we know some special trick to get you all fixed up. So I'll report back shortly. Awesome. So these guys here at Southern Chevrolet here in Chesapeake, awesome. Or I guess it's Hall Chevy. I'm sorry. Awesome to work with. Yeah, the tech, the Corvette guys. Yep, squeaky exhaust. We're swapped the exhaust out. The only thing is the strike and everything. Getting parts might be tricky. And asked about the black dip, so try to work that if they can, whatever they can find. So hopefully it's sooner than later. He says maybe a week or two. Best case, worst case, a month or so. But they're gonna fix it, and I'm not worried about it. So yeah, so if you have a squeaky exhaust, that's the issue, and GM should swap it out because you can't service it. So yeah, just one of those things, man, you know. So I will obviously keep you guys posted with this. I'll do a follow-up in a couple weeks when the exhaust comes in. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching, guys.